Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your everyday cooking experience: the GreenPan Swift 10-inch frying pan skillet. In a world saturated with kitchen gadgets, finding something that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing can be a challenge, but GreenPan seems to be aiming for that sweet spot with this offering. Let's get straight to the heart of what makes this pan tick. At its core, we have GreenPan's signature Thermolon ceramic non-stick coating. This isn't just any non-stick. They boast that it lasts longer, performs better, and most importantly for many of us, it's completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This commitment to healthier cooking materials is a major selling point, and it's something we'll be putting to the test. They've also reinforced this coating with diamonds, which they claim adds unmatched durability for everyday use. That's an interesting claim, and we'll be looking to see how that holds up over time. Beneath that advanced coating lies a heavy-gauge aluminum body. The benefit of this construction is pretty straightforward: it's designed to deliver faster and more even heat distribution. Whether you're searing a piece of chicken in the morning or simmering a sauce in the evening, consistent heat is key to good results, so we'll be paying close attention to how well this pan heats up and maintains its temperature. Now, let's talk about aesthetics, because GreenPan hasn't skimped here. The gold-toned stainless steel handle is a real standout feature. It's not just there for looks, though. It's designed to provide a secure grip, which is crucial for safe cooking, and it adds a distinct, eye-catching flair to any kitchen. This pan certainly doesn't look like your average workhorse skillet. Beyond the core cooking surface and handle, GreenPan has included some thoughtful design elements. Handy pouring rims are integrated into the pan's design, which are intended to allow for mess-free transfers of liquids and ingredients. We all know how frustrating it can be to have drips running down the side of the pan, so this small detail can make a big difference in the kitchen. The description also highlights the sleek design and unmatched strength of the Studio Collection, of which this pan is a part. It's positioned as a way to take a kitchen from plain to professional. The excellent heat conduction from the heavy-gauge aluminum combined with that healthy non-stick coating is said to make cooking healthier meals easier. The gold-toned stainless steel handle is again mentioned for its shine and stability, and those pouring rims for hassle-free transfers. In terms of practicality, the Studio Collection is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which expands its versatility. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, or use it for dishes that require oven baking. And for cleanup, it's dishwasher safe, which is always a welcome feature for those days when you just don't feel like scrubbing. So, let's break down the pros and cons as we see them. On the pro side, the emphasis on a healthy, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating reinforced with diamonds is a significant advantage, appealing to health-conscious consumers and promising longevity. The heavy-gauge aluminum for even heating is a classic and effective design choice. The gold-tone handle adds a touch of elegance and, hopefully, a secure grip. The pouring rims are a practical, user-friendly addition. Plus, being oven and dishwasher safe adds to its overall convenience and versatility. However, no product is perfect. For some, the 10-inch size might be a bit too small for larger families or for cooking multiple portions at once. While the diamond reinforcement sounds impressive, its actual long-term durability against aggressive use remains to be seen, and we'll need to monitor how well that non-stick performs after extended periods. The oven-safe temperature is also limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which might not be sufficient for all high heat. Oven recipes. And while the gold-tone handle is stylish, some users might prefer a cooler-to-the-touch material like silicone, depending on their cooking habits. In conclusion, the GreenPan Swift 10-inch frying pan skillet from the Studio Collection appears to be a well-designed and thoughtfully constructed piece of cookware. It strikes a balance between health-conscious materials, practical features, and undeniable style. For those looking to upgrade their non-stick skillet with something that looks good, cooks well, and is made with healthier materials, this is definitely one to consider. Link in the description.